And we're back to learning CapCut in a year, day 67. Let me show you how you can remove more complex backgrounds. So here we have a dancer and the background is not a single color. Therefore it's very hard for us to go to video, remove BG and use the chroma key. Color picker here is active. I hover over these areas and you can see we will always select a little bit of the dancer, so this is not the tool to use. The best way in CapCut is to use auto removal, and there's the pro feature. In earlier versions this was actually free to use, but at some point they made it a pro feature. You can still use it in a free version though, and see kind of like a preview. Depending on the background and the video length, it's gonna take a little bit to get processed. Let me fast forward my video. And here we have it now. When we play it, you can still see a little bit of a halo, because this was actually a very hard selection, as there wasn't much contrast between the dance and the background. Let me go to Basic, Canvas, Color. And I give it maybe an orange background. And you can see the selection is quite good. But here and there are still some fragments. Let me find it frame by frame. Here for example. So this still happens, but compared to earlier versions of this tool, CapCut has significantly improved. So I'm pretty sure that in the future this is going to get even better. As I've said, it's a pro feature. I don't want to pressure you into buying it, but this is actually a very useful feature. And if you use CapCut every day and you actually aspire to be a video editor or something, then this tool alone might be worth it buying the pro feature. But for my tutorial playlist here, I'm going to stick to free features as far as I can. So if you're a total beginner, don't feel the need to buy the pro feature. Stick with the free one till you fit the limit, and then think about if you transition and pay a little bit of money every month to get the pro features. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.